What's up, people? We're back again with another video. You guys already know what the vibe is. We're gonna jump straight into it. I'm gonna give you guys all the tea, all the details to the hair, the inches that it is, where I got it from, whilst I'm like doing the tutorial. But it is an Amazon Prime wig. I did get this for next day delivery as per usual. Let's jump straight into it. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Let's get into it. So I've already cut my lace off camera. Now I'm just drawing small little dots around the perimeter of my lace front so that I can get my glue where I need it to be. Yeah, so let me give you guys the tea on this hair. So I got this from CLAROLAIR hair store from Amazon. I also ordered mine in 18 inches, but to be quite fair, it didn't feel like 18 inches on me. I don't know if that's because I'm tall or if they sent me a shorter wig. Guys, don't mind me, I be getting so hungry when I'm doing my hair, so yes, just enjoy me eating my apple. But yeah, as I was saying, I did get it in 180 density. It did feel kind of thin, I'm not gonna lie to you. It felt more like 150. That's me even being generous. The wig did feel very thin. I just had to work with what I had. The wig was still very nice, okay, but for it being 18 inches on 180 density, I was expecting the wig to be just a bit more fuller. I think the wig just came in layers, to be fair. The front part of the hair was shorter than the back. So yeah, that's just something I wanted to let you guys know about the wig. Also, it didn't come in this color. It did come in a 1B color. If you guys would like to see how I did it, just let me know in the comments. Then I'll drop like a mini TikTok tutorial on how I achieved this color. I was absolutely in love with it. It's given like balayage. But yeah, all the details to everything I've just said will be in my description box if you're still interested in buying the wig. But mind you, one more thing, the hair was kind of puffy. It wasn't actually silky. I had to go over it with the straightener many times to get it as straight as you see it in this video. To be fair, that could have come from me actually dyeing the wig. Maybe the hair isn't just good at dyeing, because when it came black it was actually fine, so it could be the dyeing that caused that. But yeah, you can see me here just doing my edges. I cannot even lie to you, this side of my edges were giving scalp. I did the other side and it didn't come out exactly how that first bit came out because I cut my edges too short. So I'm just setting my edges here, and after long thought and consideration, I decided I wanted a side swoop. I don't know how to pronounce the name of this swoop. It begins with M. I'm going to type the name down. But guys, I've been seeing this swoop everywhere and I just wanted to try it out, and I think I've done a pretty amazing job at doing that. Because look, it is giving scalp Isha. Like, that's my real hair, guys. That's my real hair. Look at how beautiful, guys. Amazing, gorgeous. I literally made the best out of hair that I felt like wasn't even up to par with what I thought I was gonna get, but I made it work for sure. Like, look at how great that looks. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.